Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Kanazawa low-sugar rice cooker. First, place the inner pot securely into the main unit. Next, add your desired amount of rice and water, carefully following the measurement guide provided. Ensure the specialized steam plate is correctly positioned inside the pot. This setup is crucial for the low-sugar cooking process to work effectively, preparing your rice perfectly from the start. It's a simple initial step. The Kanazawa cooker is designed to significantly reduce the sugar content in your rice by up to 40%. This innovative process works by separating excess starch from the rice during the cooking cycle, which is then collected in the outer pot. To activate this feature, simply select the low-sugar cooking mode on the intuitive control panel. This ensures you get healthier, delicious rice with every single batch, making your meals lighter and more beneficial. Once cooking is complete, allow your rice to rest for about 10 minutes with the lid closed. This resting period helps achieve an optimal texture and allows the steam to evenly distribute. After resting, carefully remove the inner pot and the steam plate. For cleaning, wash all removable components with warm, soapy water. This simple maintenance routine ensures your cooker remains hygienic and performs efficiently for many years to come. For the best results, always rinse your rice thoroughly before cooking. This removes extra surface starch, contributing to a fluffier texture. Also, remember not to overfill the inner pot beyond the maximum fill line, as this can affect cooking performance. Feel free to experiment with different types of rice, like brown or basmati, to discover your favorite textures and flavors. Enjoy perfectly cooked, healthier rice every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.